Now we are going to discuss about degeneracy. If two or more states have same energy, we call the states are degenerate states. So the degenerate states can have more than one states having the same energy. So all the states will have the same energy. If all the states are having the same energy, that states are called as the degenerate states. Now let us consider a three-dimensional box. This is orthorhombic system. An orthorhombic system, the lengths are unequal. Lx, Ly, Lz with the length along x, y, z axis, and they are angle between the two, all the axes are 90 degrees to each other. Now, this problem can be solved by choosing psi. This is a three-dimensional bow function. As the product of three one-dimensional functions. Psi is a function of x, psi and psi is a function of y, psi is a function of z. All the three-dimensional, one-dimensional functions. You multiply all the three one-dimensional functions, and that gives the total function of the system. Once if you consider the Schrodinger equation, and if we substitute for psi, which is psi of x, psi of y is psi of z, that Schrodinger equation is reduced to three one-dimensional equations, because the potential is zero within the box and the potential is outside the box. So this is a three-dimensional box. So that three-dimensional problem is reduced to three one-dimensional problem, and we know the eigenfunction and the energy eigenvalue corresponding to one-dimensional problem, because for psi of x is equal to square root of 2 by Lx sin nx pi x by L Lx. Psi y is equal to sin of ny pi y by Ly. Sin psi of z is equal to square root of 2 by L sin nz pi z by Lz, where nx, ny, nz are quantum numbers starting from number 1, 2, 3, and etc. So if you multiply the three functions, it gives the three-dimensional function psi of x, y, z is equal to this expression. And the energy eigenvalue is the sum of the two one-dimensional energy eigenvalues. So this is a one-dimensional case for motion is along x direction. This is the energy corresponding to the one-dimensional case corresponding to y direction, and this is for z direction. So the sum will be the total energy of the system. Now let us consider a cubical box. Cubical box, the length will be equal. X, Ly, Lz. The length on x, y, z direction will be all are equal to say L, which this is L. So in this case, this wave function reduces to Lx, Ly, Lz. We put L. This will be psi of x, y, z is equal to square root of 8 by L cube sin nx pi x by L. So this Lx must be replaced by L, Ly must be replaced by L, and Lz must be replaced by. So this is the total wave function if a particle is in the cubical box. And the energy eigenvalue will be the sum. The Lx, Ly, Lz are replaced by L. So this term pi square h cross square by 2m square is a constant term that can be taken outside. The remaining part is nx square plus ny square plus nz square, and if you call this is a E is equal to pi square h cross square by 2m square, then E for this three quantum numbers is equal to nx square plus ny square plus nz square times E. So if the system is a symmetry, system has the symmetry, then it exists a degeneracy. So degeneracy exists if symmetry exists. So cubical box is a symmetrical system, so you can expect degeneracy in this problem. So in this case, you take nx E corresponding to this quantum nx, ny, nz is equal to nx square plus ny square plus n square into E. Now let us discuss the degeneracy here by using a table. You write down the quantum numbers nx, ny, nz in the bracket, the lowest value will be nx is equal to 1 and ny initial is 1. So substitute nx is equal to 1, 1, 1, the sum value will be 3. So for this case, what is here? Nx square plus ny square plus nz square into e, where e is equal to pi square h square by 2 ml square. So if we substitute 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, this is 3, so this is 3e. But what is the state? State is psi 1, 1 only. So one state and one energy. So the lowest energy is 3e and the wave function is only one wave function. So the degeneracy of the system is 1. If you choose nx is equal to 1, ny is equal to 1, nz is equal to 2, then nx plus ny plus nz is equal to 4. So nx plus ny plus nz is equal to 4 is possible by choosing nx is equal to 1, 2, 1 also or 2, 1, 1 also. So there are three possible ways of choosing nx, ny, nz, so that the sum nx plus ny plus nz is equal to 4. So if we substitute this value here, that expression, the expression for the energy becomes 6e. But what are the different wave functions? There are three wave functions: psi 1, 1, 2, psi 1, 2, 1, psi 2, 1, 1. So there are three different states corresponds to single energy, same energy. So there is a degeneracy. The number of states is 3. Therefore, the degeneracy is 3. Now, if you choose nx plus ny plus n is equal to 6, some number, let's say 6. This is possible by choosing nx, ny, nz in this form 1, 1, 4. So 1 plus 1 plus 4, or 1 plus 4 plus 1, or 4 plus 1 plus 1. So this is one possible combination. Now here the expression for energy is 1 square plus 1 square plus 4 square is 18e. So there are three different wave functions. So these psi 114, psi 141 and psi 411. So there are three different states. So three different states correspond to the single energy. So there are the degeneracy of the level is 3 because there are three states corresponding to the energy 18e. For the nx plus ny plus n is equal to 6, there is other possibility of choosing nx plus ny plus n is. This is 1, 2, 3 is R 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1. So there are 6 different possible combination of choosing nx and ny images so that the sum will become 6. So if we substitute 1, 2, 3 here, 1, 2, 3, this expression will be, the energy will be 14e. So what are the different possible states? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 states. Psi 1, 2, 3, psi 2, 1, 3, psi 1, 3, 2, and psi 3, 1, 2, psi 2, 3, 1, psi 3, 2, 1. So there are 6 states. So 6 states are possible correspond to the same energy 14e. Therefore the degeneracy is 6. So if you choose this energy 14e, this energy level will have 6 states. So the degeneracy of the level is 6. Similarly, you can find the degeneracy of the rest of the levels. Now, similarly, so this is we are discussing for a 3D box. This is for a 3D box. Now we choose 3D isotropic oscillator. For isotropic oscillator, here the potential energy here is actually V is equal to half K R square. R square may be expressed in terms of x square plus y square plus z square. So it can be split into a motion along x direction as well as y direction and z direction. So it can be split into 3 components. And in the Schrodinger equation, you substitute this value V is equal to half K R square. R square can be expressed as x square plus y square plus z square. So the 3-dimensional wave equation can be expressed as a 3 one-dimensional harmonic oscillator problem. So for each, this is called as an isotropic oscillator because the spring constant on all the directions are the same. The spring constants are the same. We call this an isotropic oscillator. For one-dimensional harmonic oscillator, the energy eigenvalue is equal to n plus of h cross omega. So since here there are three one-dimensional harmonic oscillator, so nx plus ny plus n is half plus half plus half, which is 3 by 2 into h cross omega. So this is the energy eigenvalue corresponding to the three-dimensional harmonic oscillator. Now, suppose if nx, ny is are 0, all quantum numbers, the minimum value is 0, so 0, 0, 0, we choose, the sum will be 0. So in that case, if you substitute nx, ny plus n is equal to 0, E will be h cross omega into the 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 h cross omega. So what is the state? The state is represented by sign 0, 0, 0. So the degeneracy of the system is 1. So this degeneracy 1 means it is a non-degenerate system. Now if we choose nx plus ny plus n is equal to 1. So this is possible by choosing nx, ny, n is like this 0, 0, 1 or 0, 1, 0 or 1, 0, 0. So if you add these three, you will get 1. So in this case, if you put 0, 0, 1 or 1, 0, 0 like that, then the E will be pi by 2 h cross 1 plus 3 by 2, which is pi by 2 h cross omega. So what are the states? Psi 0, 0, 1 is one state, psi 0, 1, 0 one state, psi 1, 0, 0 is one state. So the three states are possible if the harmonic oscillator is having energy pi by 2 h cross omega. Suppose if you choose nx plus ny plus n is equal to 3 for this possible combination, or are the different possibilities 0, 0, 3, 0, 3, 0, 3, 0, 0. These three possibilities in addition. 2, 1, 0, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 1 is and 1, 2, 0, 0, 1, 2, 2, 1, 0 and 1, 1 is another possibility. So there are here this nx plus ny plus n is equal to 3, you have 10 possible combinations. So if you put these values here, nx plus ny plus n is equal to 3, then this will be, energy will be 9 by 2 h cross omega. The eigenstates are psi of 0, 0, 3, psi 0, 3, 0, psi 3, 0, 0 and psi 2, 0, 2, 1, 0, psi 2, 0, 1, psi 2, 0, 1, psi 1, 2, 0, psi 0, 1, 2, psi 2, 1, 0 and psi 1, 1. So there are 10 states are possible. So the harmonic oscillator, three-dimensional harmonic oscillator, which is having energy 9 by 2 h cross omega, will have 10 different states. So the degeneracy of the system is there. So for the harmonic oscillator problem, isotropic harmonic oscillator problem, the degeneracy can be calculated using this simple formula n into n plus 1 by 2. So in the question, if to calculate the degeneracy alone, then if the n is known, then the degeneracy can be calculated because here n is what is n is 3. Substitute 3 here, 3 into 3 plus 1 divided by 2. Then this is 2 4 2 here the degeneracy is n plus 1 into n plus 2 divided by 2. So if we put n is equal to 3 plus 1 plus 4 into 5 divided by 2, so which is equal to 10. So the degeneracy can be calculated by using this expression. Degeneracy is equal to n plus 1 into n plus 2 divided by 2. Now let us consider two problems. First we take this problem. A particle of mass m is confined in a cubical box of size A. The potential inside the box is 0 and the infinite outside. If the particle is in an eigenstate of energy E is equal to 14 pi square h cross square by 2 m square, its wave function is. So there are 4 possible wave functions are given. So this is one of the questions asked in the GATE examinations. Now here, this can be easily calculated. Now the energy eigenvalue, because this is a 3-dimensional problem, the box of size A. So this energy eigenvalue is given. What is this expression? Nx square plus ny square plus nz square into E, which is equal to E is equal to this pi square h cross square by 2n L square. So this is equal to pi square h cross square by 2m A square, which is given as 14 pi square h cross square by 2m A square. So now by comparing this one, nx square plus ny square plus nz square is equal to 14. So this is possible by choosing what is the possible values of choosing nx, ny, nz. This may be, so here from the table also you can see. So it is a 14V energy. This is 1, 2, 3 or 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1. So these are the possible values of the combination of nx, ny, nz. So it may be 1, 2, 3 is one combination or 2, 1, 3 is another combination and so on. Now if you look at the result, nx, ny, nz, so this is, if you take this as 3, 5, 6, nx square, 3 square plus 5 square plus 6 square, which is not equal to 14. Therefore this is wrong. Here 7 square plus 4 square plus 3 square, which is also not equal to 14. Here 4 square plus 8 square plus 2 square, which is not equal to 14. Whereas here, this is 1 square plus ny is equal to 2. So 2 square plus 3 square. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, which is equal to 14. Therefore, option D is second. The option D is the correct wave function corresponding to this problem. So that way you have to solve this one. Now, if you take another problem, so the next problem is a particle of mass m in a potential v of x comma y is equal of m omega square into 4x square plus y square is an eigenstate of the energy E is equal to 5 by 2 h cross omega. The corresponding unnormalized eigenfunction. So this is since it's x square y square alone. So this is a 2-dimensional harmonic oscillator, and it is not isotropic harmonic oscillator because the frequency along x direction and y direction are different. So the starting point is you take this expression for d of x comma y is equal to half m, and this is 4 omega square into x square plus half m into omega square y square. So this is your frequency along y direction, this is the frequency along x direction. Now the wave function. So what is the wave function for the hydrogen atom problem? So for a one-dimensional problem, so psi n of x is equal to, is proportional to, so the normalization constant is not here, only unnormalized eigenfunction. So you can write down the proportional. So which is e power minus 1 by 2 alpha square x square h n of alpha into x, alpha suffix x into x, where alpha is equal to 2 m m omega by h cross within this square. Alpha is equal to m omega by h cross. So here this is along x axis, so you put a suffix here. Here also you can put suffix here. Now this is called as the Hermite polynomial of order n. So this is on which direction you put this is nx. Now here the frequency is omega x is equal to 2 omega. This is 2 omega. Here this is omega 1 is equal to omega. So this is omega x prime square, omega x square. So this is 2 omega square. This is omega y square. So this is omega x equal to omega. Therefore, this is psi nx of x is proportional to e power minus 1 by 2 m omega is equal to 2 omega. So 2 omega square by h cross into x square. This is h n of alpha x, but h n of alpha x into x. Similarly, psi n y of y is proportional to e power minus half m omega by h cross y square h n y of alpha y into y. Here alpha y is m omega y by h cross. Because here omega y is equal to omega x prime is equal to, so this expression is. Now here, what is E? It is given. E is equal to 5 by 2 h cross omega. Actually this is E is equal to nx plus ny plus 1 into h cross omega. Nx plus half h cross omega plus ny plus half h cross omega, because this is a two-dimensional problem. So which is equal to 5 by 2 h cross omega. So this gives what is the possible values of nx and ny. This is equal to 0. This can be written like this. For convenience, this can be written like this. Nx plus half h cross omega plus ny plus half h cross omega. Here omega is equal to 2 omega, because omega x is equal to 2 omega, omega 1 is equal to omega. So which is equal to what? This is equal to, this is given 5 by 2 h cross omega. Now this is possible. Nx is equal to 0 and ny is equal to 1. So if you put nx is equal to 0, this term will be h cross omega. If you put ny is equal to 1, 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 plus h cross 3 by 2 h cross omega plus h cross omega is equal to 5 by 2. So this is this energy corresponds to n is equal to nx is equal to 0 and ny is equal to 0. So if nx is equal to 0, then psi 0 of x is equal to proportional to e power here minus m omega by h cross into x square h0 of alpha x. But what is h0? The Hermite polynomial. This is 1. h1 of say so this is alpha y as a 7. Then this y is equal to y. So this is a Hermite polynomial where h0 is 1, h1 is y. Therefore here this will be 1. Therefore psi 0 is proportional to e power minus m omega by h cross x square into 1. What is psi 1? Psi 1, this is equal to proportional to e power minus half m omega by h cross into y square, and this is proportional to, this is equal to alpha y, actually yes. So this is equal to alpha times y, so which is proportional to y, so we put this is y. So if you take psi 0 psi 0 of x, psi 1 of y is proportional to e power minus half m omega by h cross into 2x square plus y square into y. So this is your the total load function. So the psi of x comma y now becomes this. Therefore this option is set minus m omega by h cross into 2x square here the option, and there must be 2 here. So this is y into exponential of minus m omega by 2h cross into x square 2x square plus y square. So this option is option A. So for solving this problem, first you choose this one E, and from this you find out the value of the nx value and ny value. So if nx is and ny is first calculated, this nx is equal to 0 and ny is equal to 1, and you have to find the psi 0 of x and the psi 1 of x, and using this, and if you multiply you will get this result. So psi and the option A is the correct option. So there are so many problems that can be done in the next class.